สวัสดีครับ The title of my study is The Use of Organic Feed to Vote the Color of the Yolk in Laying Hen by Pukpan Tengpipat ปุญญวัฒน์วิทยาลัยสคูลพหลโยธินโรดวาวิยังล่ำปัง52000ประเทศไทย The introduction of my study. The objective of this research is to evaluate the effectiveness of different food production plans on enhancing egg yolk color and to compare the color quality outcome from these plants. Specifically, the study focuses on the impact of banana leaf and water hyacinth when incorporated into the diet of laying hen. The methodology of the study. The experimental process of this research involved a controlled breeding trial with 20 egg breeders divided into two groups, each consisting of 10 chickens. Over a 6-week period, one group was fed 500 grams of banana leaf mixed into the daily feed, while the second group received the same amount of water hyacinth. The result of the study. The result of the study revealed that incorporating banana leaf and water hyacinth into the diet of laying hen significantly enhances the color intensity of egg yolk. Specifically, hen fed with banana leaf achieved a yolk color score of 9.25 with a V value of 86.4%, 8 value of 42.6, and C value of 0.0. In comparison, hen fed with water hyacinth had a yolk color score of 7.26 with a V value of 75.2%, 8 value of 46.4, and C value of 0.0. The statistical analysis confirmed that the differences in yolk color between the two groups were significant. This finding indicates that both banana leaf and water hyacinth can enhance the yolk color, making it more intense and visually appealing. However, banana leaf proved to be more effective in achieving a higher color score. Importantly, the use of these natural feed additives did not negatively impact the overall quality of the egg, suggesting their potential as viable option for improving egg yolk color and poultry nutrition. The discussion of the study. This study demonstrates that incorporating banana leaf and water hyacinth into the diet of laying hen can significantly enhance the color intensity of egg yolk. Among the two plants tested, banana leaf proved to be more effective, resulting in a higher yolk color score and more intense coloration. The use of these natural feed additives did not adversely affect the overall quality of egg, making them viable option for improving yolk color in commercial egg production. These findings have practical implications for the poultry industry, offering a natural and cost-effective method to enhance the visual appeal of eggs, which can potentially increase the market value and consumer preference. Future research could explore the long-term effect on this additive on egg production and quality, as well as investigate other potential natural additives that could further enhance yolk color and overall egg quality. ขอบคุณครับ The use of organic feed to vote the color of the yolk in laying hen by ภูพันธ์ เท็งปิปัต